Archibald.
I was feeling sad. Can't help looking back. Highways flew by. Run away. No sense of time. I'd like you to stay. Want to keep you inside.
Hey. Thought my dad would be here. We're supposed to meet up to go home.
How was your date?
Good. Great, actually.
I never apologized for what happened last year. I deeply regret my actions of that night. If you ever do move in here, I'll make sure I'm not around.
Run away. No sense of time. Like